Hi students, I am Subhamal. Transportation problem, sum number 7 in miscellaneous exercise. An oil company has two depots, namely A and B. They can hold 7,000 liter and 4,000 liter of petrol. The company is to supply oil to three petrol pumps, namely D, E and F, whose requirements are 4,500 for A, 3,000 for B and 3,500 for F. Okay, but this is D and this is E and this is for F. The distance in kilometer between depots and the petrol pumps is given in the following table. They are given distance in kilometer from to A, B. D, E, F, they are given distance. Okay, 7, 3, 6, 4, 3, 2. Assuming that the transportation cost of 10 liter of oil is rupees 1. Listen ma, 10 liter oil transport பண்றதுக்கு 1 rupee. Okay, per kilometer. How should the delivery be scheduled in order that the transportation cost is minimum? Already I told you transportation problem is only to be minimized. Okay, what is the minimum cost? Just I explained the arrow diagram. A can hold 7,000 liter, D, E, F can hold 4,500, 3,000 and 5,500. First I consider A to D. Transported element is considered by myself X. X item is transferred from A to D. And similarly A to E is considered by myself Y. Okay, then what are the remaining is transferred from A to F. So X and Y are left. So the total capacity of A is 7,000. So 7,000 minus X minus Y. 7,000 la X um Y um poga remaining irukadha nama F ku transfer பண்றோம். Okay va? Similarly for B, D, E, F, already I write here 4,500, 3,000 and 3,500. And B to D, this is what? 4,500, already X is delivered from A. So 4,500 minus X for D and then 3,000 for 3,000 minus Y. Already Y transported from A, so 3,000 minus Y, and next to one 3,500 minus 7,000 minus X minus Y. So finally I get X plus Y minus 3,500. Listen, 3,500 can hold F. Already transported by A is 7,000 minus X minus Y. So finally I get X plus Y minus 3,000. Okay, now we represent the given data as diagram, including with price amount. Okay, so A, D, E, F, capacity of D, E, F and A already written by myself, and this is transported from A to D is taken by X and A to E is taken by Y and A to F is taken by 7,000 minus X minus Y. Rupees is clearly given, 7 rupee, 6 rupee and 3 rupee. They are mentioned in the sum. Next one. From B, okay, B to D, 4,500 minus X, rupees is 3, 3,000 minus Y, rupees is 4, X plus Y minus 3,500 rupees is 2. Here itself, X and Y are greater than or equal to 0. First of all, I consider the upper part. So, X greater than or equal to 0, Y greater than or equal to 0, 7,000 minus X minus Y is also greater than or equal to 0. 7,000 minus X minus Y is already greater than or equal to 0. Now, I write here itself 7,000 minus X minus Y is greater than or equal to 0 can be written by X plus Y is less than or equal to 7,000. Okay, and next we consider the lower part of the given one. 4,500 minus X is greater than or equal to 0, and then for 3,000 minus Y is greater than or equal to 0, and last one X plus 5Y minus 3,500 is greater than or equal to 0. This can be written like this. Okay, and then they are clearly given in the sum. Cost of 1 liter petrol is rupees 1. Okay, sorry, cost of 10 liter petrol transportation cost is rupees 1. So we want to find what is the cost of transportation of 1 liter petrol. Okay, right, that is what, 1 by 10. So the total cost 7 by 10. 7 by 10 into X plus Y by 10 into 6 plus 3 by 10 into 7,000 minus X minus Y. Here itself 3 by 10 into 4,500 minus X, 4 by 10 into 3,000 minus Y. Here itself 2 by 10 into X plus Y minus 3,500. We are writing here clearly. Okay, finally we get 0.3X plus 0.1Y plus 3,950. And this is called what? Minimum cost only. So I write here minimum is that equal to 0.3X plus 0.1Y plus 3,950. Subject to the constraint already we found here. X plus Y is less than or equal to 7,000. X plus Y is less than or equal to 3,500. And then Y X less than or equal to 4,500. Y less than or equal to 3,000, as well as X comma Y is greater than or equal to 0. We write here itself. And then we want to draw the diagram and represent it graphically. Listen. First X plus Y equal to 7,000 means we get 0 comma 7,000 here and 7,000 comma 0 here. And then X plus Y is less than or equal to 3500 means 0, 3500 here, and then 3500, 0 here, and x is less than or equal to 4500 we are representing here, and then y is less than or equal to 3000 we are representing this line, and in between region is called our feasible region. So we want to write the corner points of the feasible region. We know very well what are the corner points of the feasible region. You just look at the diagram and write what are the corner points in it. Okay, va? So I found that A, B, C, D, E and name it as A is considered by myself 3500, 0. I apply it, I get 5000. For B I get 5300, and for C is 5550, as well as D is 5450. Last one 500, 3000. This is 4400. So comparing all these values, which one is minimum? Last one is minimum. So minimum value of Z is considered by myself 4400. This is happened at where? 500, 3000. Okay, va? So the value of X is 500 and the value of Y is 3000. Okay, va? So oil supplied from A to D is considered by X. Okay, va? That is what? 500 liter. And E transported from A to E is Y. So this is 3000. F is considered by 7000 minus X minus Y. So I get 3500. And oil supplied from B to D, 4500 minus X. So 4000 L. 3000 minus Y. So we get 0 L, because already we have the value of Y is 3000. So 3000 minus 3000 means we get 0. And X plus Y minus 3500 L means here also we get 0 L. Okay, va? One more sum, that is what example number 11. Example number 11, listen. There are two factories looked at, one place at P and one place at Q. From the location, a certain commodity is to be delivered to each of three depots situated A, B, C. The weekly requirements of the depots are 554 units. Okay, va? Commodity. While the production capacity of the factories at P and Q respectively are 8 and 6. That is, for P is 8 and for Q is 6. The transportation cost per unit is given below. From to and cost in rupees. Okay, va? PQ. The cost for A, B and C, they are representing clearly 160, 100, 150, 100, 120, 100. How many units should be transported from each of the factory to each depot in order that the transportation cost is minimum? Always transportation cost is minimum. Okay, what will be the minimum transportation cost? Okay, listen here. Here we have two types of factories. That is what? P. One is P and another one is Q. Okay, A, B, C capacity already given there 554. Here also I take 554, and P to A is transferred by X, P to B is transferred by Y, and then P to C is considered by 8 minus X minus Y, because X and Y are sent to A and B from P. So the remaining quantity is 8 minus X minus Y. Now we consider this side. Q to A is 5 minus X. Okay, well, already A can hold X quantity, so 5 minus X, and B can hold Y. So we write here 5 minus Y. Already C can hold 4 units. So finally we get remaining thing is 6. So 6 minus of 5 minus X, 5 minus Y. Okay, well, already Q can hold 5 minus X and 5 minus Y. Remaining is 6. So 6 minus X, 5 minus X plus 5 minus Y. So finally we get X plus Y minus 4. Right. Now we want to represent the given diagram. Factories are P and Q, and then 3 depots are A, B and C. They can hold 5, 5, 4, and P from A is X and P from B is Y and P from C is what? 8 minus X minus Y, and they are clearly given the amount, that is what? Rupees 160, 100 and 150. They are representing here 160, 100, 150, and from Q is 100, 120, 100. So we are writing here itself 100, 120 and 100. And then Q from A is 5 minus X, Q from B is 5 minus Y, and Q from C is X plus Y minus 4. Already we are simplifying here X plus Y minus 4. Okay, here itself we want to take the upper part. So this is X greater than or equal to 0, this is Y greater than or equal to 0, this is 8 minus X minus Y greater than or equal to 0. And now we want to consider the lower part of the diagram. So 5 minus Y greater than or equal to 0, 5 minus X greater than or equal to 0, X plus Y minus 4 greater than or equal to 0. Now we are getting like this. Transportation costs. Okay, right. So you just multiplying the values 160X plus 100Y plus 150 into 8 minus X minus Y, 100 into 5 minus X, 5 minus Y into 120, 100 into X plus Y minus 4. Okay, so finally what we get? 10 into transportation cost is 10 into X minus 7Y plus 190. So minimum value of z is 10 into x minus 7y plus 190 subject to the constraints x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0, and x plus y is less than or equal to 8, x is less than or equal to 5, y is less than or equal to 5, and x plus y is greater than or equal to 4. We want to represent the diagram as the above information. So we get this like that, and we want to find what are the corner points of the feasible region. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, wow. So this is taken by here. Corner points of the feasible region are 0, 4, 0, 5, 5, 3, 5, 5, 3, 5, 0 as well as 4, 0. So corner points are written by here, and z equal to 10 into x minus 7y plus 190. We can simplify these values, and then we get minimum value, that is what, 1550 happen at where? 0, 5. So the minimum value of therefore the minimum value of z is 1550 at 0, 5. Commodity, okay, delivered from P to A is x, y already we are taken. X is considered by here 0 and y is considered by here 5, and C is considered by 8 minus x minus y. So 8 minus 0 minus 5, so we get 3 units. And similarly commodity delivered from Q to A is 5 minus x, that is 5 minus x, that is what, 0. 5 minus 0 means 5, and B is 5 minus y. So 5 minus 5 is 0, and C is x plus y minus 4. X plus y. So 0 plus 5 minus 4 means we get 1. That's it. Okay, so transportation problem is over. Thank you.